Greetings, John Kielec here, and this is admin of the DailyNetPay, which includes private trade shares, or short form PTS, where I show you live real trading, and the trades you're about to see is for the week January 28th, which is Monday, until February 1st, Friday. So I do the Forex trading Monday through Friday. I am not doing any crypto trading right now because BitMEX, my broker, while I am staying in Florida, is not allowing for U.S. to enter their platform. So we're going to resume crypto trading once I am back in Canada, and that should be March, April. At the end of March and April, we're traveling all over Florida as well. So, but before I begin and give you the overrun, what trades we are doing, I just want to make sure that you there's some changes that were made. The DailyNetPay-PrivateTradeShares, the site will include entire trades for 2019, and as you can see in here, real life trades are done Monday through Friday. Okay, I used to allow members to come in during Monday through Friday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But what I do these days, I kind of set it, and automation takes over my trades, and I'm in a trading room, in a conference trading room where I'm doing this recording. I'm there very early in the morning, and usually sometimes by 10, 11 o'clock I'm out, but I am in and out. So there has been some changes to the recorded videos that I'm going to do. I only record one live trade each Friday where I present the total profit loss in percentage. Okay, I am not going to show you, you're going to see the dollars that we earn, but I'm not going to final summarize in dollars because I don't want to attract hackers. I don't want copycats to copy some of the profit, some of the numbers, and use it in whatever. There's all kinds of other reasons. We just basically do not want to attract others who might be hacking our site, and our sites are being hacked all the time because of the income in here. So we're gonna just give you the percentage for all trades that are done during the week. Then Friday, the week's final results are calculated on that percentage, not in dollars, just like I said, and based on that percentage is what all private trade shares, PTS earnings, will be paid out. So the PTS earnings payouts are done late each Friday or Saturday. Okay, and this is some trades here from the January. Okay, so now we're gonna go and see what kind of trades we had for the week of January 28th to February 1st, 2019. So I'm gonna go to my broker. We're gonna start off with British pound and Australian dollar. Okay, let me just minimize this a bit. Okay, these are just, we had a bunch of small trades. It was a very rough week trading. Actually, I am very, very busy right now just doing the compression, reactivation of revenue from advertising, and I didn't have much time to really study the market, so we did, but we still came ahead with profit, so that is a good sign, but you're going to hear more about it. There's British pound against Australian dollars. Now, you can see there's little profits in here, okay. No, what did I do here? Okay, I got to be extra careful in here because sometimes when I click on these arrows, and I got to save this. Okay, there we go. Okay, saved. Sorry for that. But, okay, I got to kind of minimize this a bit. Okay, in here, there's one trade, this is a trade that we entered. It was held for a couple of days because we went for market's up, and all of a sudden the market did go up, but there was a very little profit in here. Then all of a sudden the market turned against us. Okay, it didn't hit a stop loss, but eventually 2 days later we came with $20.50 profit. Okay, then we took over here for a trade down. This was a small trade. I think it was a $10,000 trade, so we only earned $27.46 with this. Okay, just before this run, we had we got stopped out because we got a signal to go up for prices, but it actually went against us. So we were stopped out with a loss of $191.71. You know, these things do happen. You cannot win every trade. Okay, so that was the major thing in GBP against the Australian dollar. Okay, let's go to British pound and New Zealand dollar. I only trade British pound most of the time because I study those markets. I know what's happening, the London daybreak and stuff like that. So in here we have a small profit of $10.46. Okay. So what happened in here, I'm not sure how many trades were in New Zealand. There weren't many. That was the only one that was done just on Friday with a small profit of $10.46. Japanese, British pound against Japanese yen. All right, there was same thing in here. We got a signal for prices down, but the market was very volatile. There was a report, U.S. report of jobs and coming out, so there was mixed feelings if it's going to be positive or it's going to be negative. But anyways, we went for prices down. We took a little chunk out of the market. If I should have been at the computer, we could have got 3/4 of this downfall of the prices. But anyways, our automation system, my automation system, I got $26.87. And I usually, this is Bollinger Band, usually when I get 3 signs around Bollinger Band on the bottom, then I go reversal retracement of 50%. That would have been nice. But like I say, it was a tough week. It was a rough week in trading, and also I had lots to do, so I didn't really stick to the markets. What else can happen in here? Okay, there were some signals. Okay, so okay, that was the only trade with British pound and Japanese yen. Okay, now we're going to go British pound and Canadian dollar. Over here, we're going to see more action. Okay, you're going to see quite a bit of action. Okay, Friday, same thing. We got a signal to go down. We took a little chunk out of prices going down, but we only made a little profit of $31.30. You know, once again, I wasn't at the computer all the time because I had a busy day. But anyways, you know, that would have been nice to go all the way down. But anyways, profit is a profit, and that's what happened. Okay, so now if we go more into the Canadian dollar, and this was something that I did not like whatsoever. Okay, I'm gonna minimize that, okay, to show you that. Okay, this trade was done on the 22nd of January, and we exited on the 30th. Okay, so this was like whole week. This was a $55,000 trade. And we're actually at one point over here, we were losing $1,200 loss. I usually risk at $500–600. Very, very rare that I will risk $1,000 on the Forex trade. But in here, I knew that Canadian dollar eventually is going to go down because I read so many reports. So I said, no, I am not going to take this loss. I'm going to hold this trade until it produces profit. You know, we held, well, I couldn't do many other trades because this was a $55,000 trade. So the money was tied up in here for 8 trades before it produced us a profit. So after, you know, it was in the loss, and we turned that loss into $112.75 profit. So I was happy to get out of that, tell you that much. Okay, so this was a major set for entire week, which also has driven our profits down a bit of normal 3.5 or more, or around 3 to 3.5% weekly earnings. But this caused a little bit, slowdown. Okay. Next trade, all right, is British pound against Swiss franc. Okay, and let's enlarge this a bit. Okay, we did a bunch of trades in here, I think. Yeah, you see all these marks and whatever. Those are some of the signals, some of the things that I watch, and based on these, I do my trades. All right, yeah, we did some trades over here. Let me enlarge this again. Okay, and we earned $36.10, $60, 19 cents, $40.03. So you can see we had small trades, nothing major, because of the time not spent. And when I'm not sure about certain markets, I take low risk, and I'll take low profits because I'm not sure what's happening. So that's what's happening. Okay, now GBP against British pound against US dollar. Okay, and once again I'm going to enlarge this. This is currently open trade. Okay, this open trade is left for Monday. I don't like leaving open trades for over the weekend, but I don't want to lose this money. It's not the lots. This is you can see $50,000 trade in here. Okay, and once again, Friday it started pretty good overall. I knew because of that report it's going to be somewhat negative to certain points. So the market's going to go down. It's going to drive the prices down, and it's going to drive the US dollar down on opening trade on Friday, and it did. And did it ever go down? Okay, so we got some profits, $91.12. Then later, it was still going down. It went back up. It came down, and we got additional $9.86. Then, okay, I got my 1, 2, 3. It's actually 4 candles. But once the report came out, I did the retracement up. Okay. And this retracement up in here, see this $92.52, it turned against us. I should have held it. But the report, like I said, was mixed, and then all of a sudden the prices start coming down. And I thought the prices are going to continue down. Well, they didn't. Okay, so you can see I had signal for prices to go down, and the prices start going up. So we had won here, we had lost in here. Right now, this is open trade. It will be for, next week for Monday. And we are in the minus $228.68. Once again, this is a $50,000 trade. But I am very sure Monday, this will turn into a profitable trade, because you can see the trend, this is blue line, is the downtrend. It reached the trend line, and it's going way down. And this is the signs over here, very strong downtrend again. And once again, I read some reports that the US dollar is going to be weakening. So we're going to be looking to take profits down here. What else happened with US dollar? Okay, during the week, I don't think not much else I did with this dollar. Okay, so as you can see, these are the trades that were done for entire week. Now I'm just going to summarize like I do every Friday. Every Friday I'm going to be summarizing entire trades. So, this was going to be once a week. So you can see all the trades that we have done. Okay, greens are positive wins, and negative are losses. So we have 2 red and rest is green. You know, the profits were small. If we would do good if we didn't have those 2 losses, but especially this $191.71. But hey, these things do happen, and that's all I can say. Okay, not. But anyways. So the trading results for the week of January 28th to February 1st, 2019, we had 10 wins, 2 losses, and we still have 1 open trade. So the week's profit is 1.18%. And this is the lowest profit I had in my Forex trading, I would say in the last 7 months. At least half a year. I think, you know, last year sometimes I had just a little bit less than 1% for the whole week. It was a real mix-up week. But anyways, so these weeks do occur. But I know during this month of February, we're going to catch those $1,000 trades, and I'm going to spend more time after we do what we're doing with DailyNetPay-PrivateTradeShares and connecting with revenue from advertising and stuff like that. So I'm going to be, you know, looking for those big trades, and because we need them. So, you know, this is what it is. Like I say, you can earn up to 150% return on your investment, $600 monthly and even weekly. You want to learn more about it, DailyNetPay.com. That's the website you visit. And if you go in there, you will have basic, full information. Very simple. DailyNetPay is all about trading Forex and cryptocurrencies. You see what I show you, live trades done, summarized on each and every Friday. And this is the website. Basically, you got to join in here, but how it works, we only have 2 packs. One is a $20 private trade shares, earns you $30 back. Okay, earns about 0.5% daily, up to 3.5% weekly. But that weekly return depends on how our trades go during the week. All right, there's also some commissions in here. And I would always suggest to go with if you're a brand new member or you're looking to earn some passive, totally passive cash, select DNP pack number 2, because it will give you 90 days of advertising. It will get you 3 paid members. Also, you get paid entry into revenue from advertising, where you can earn 20,000 plus yearly income. You get also 1 private trade share. And, you know, you can read all about in here what's in DailyNetPay. Okay, so this is it for me for February 1st, the, you know, weekends. And like I say, this 1.18% all DNP private trade shares, members who are getting paid on a weekly basis, whatever, how many shares they have, this is what we're going to calculate, and this is how much you're going to get paid out. Okay, so once again, I wish you a great, happy weekend, enjoyable weekend, safe weekend. God bless. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next week. Bye-bye.